So, tour of my mobile mechanic setup in the back of my car just for insurance purposes, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll start in the trunk itself. I unloaded some to make it easier. DeWalt brushless grinder, 5 amp hour battery, my other 5 amp hour batteries inside, DeWalt flashlight, 1.5 amp hour, 3/8 brushed DeWalt impact, 1/2 inch brushless high torque, charger, screwdrivers, assorted screwdrivers, Tecton, and got their 6-in-1 stars on the bottom, got a couple Kleins, Craftsman, mini pry bar. I go all the way from like 1/8 inch up to 1/4, and from pH1 up to pH3. Got a couple little bit drivers. Gear wrench, pick set. I brought their big pick set that came with big and littles, big ones and small ones. I just keep big ones with me. I got the Snap-on 4-piece mini, trim tool, Pittsburgh pick, Tecton awl or reamer, couple non-marring hose gasket picks, plastic ones. So I think they're more performance tool. I got the DeWalt 1/2 inch drill back there, jack stand, the Tecton 32 inch I think pry bar. I got a big 60 inch pry bar here, 60 some inch. Gear wrench bolt biter, Matco 3-piece magnetic tray, couple Harbor Freight trays I painted, Cyclops light, Tecton tray, couple grip trays, a few magnets, gear wrench bolt biter set, the 3/8 and 1/4 set goes up 3/4. Tecton 3/8 drive breaker bar. Got assorted bits in here. 1/2 inch stars and Allen wobbles, metric standard. Long performance tool 3/8 ratchet. Harbor Freight breaker bar. I gotta put my good one in here. I got a Tecton one. Wrenches. Tecton set up to 19. Sunex 9-piece flare nut wrench set. This is the Sunex case, but I just put my Tecton wrenches in it, so it's from 2024, the rest of my set. And then we have standard gear wrenches and wrenches in the bottom, and then my metric crow's feet mine wrenches. More intact Nokia 1/2 inch 3/8 drive, hand tools over here, hammer, Master Mechanic, Pittsburgh dead blow, Bolton 4-pound unbreakable, Williams 2-pound drilling hammer, 15 inch clutch adjustable wrench, a couple of pickle forks, Hyper Tough 24 inch pry bar, Tecton ones inside, Sunex rolling pry bar. Got the rest of them around here somewhere. Tecton 24 inch long ratchet, Snap-on PWG2, a couple files, Tecton oil filter wrench pliers, Tecton 16-inch, I think. Yeah, 16-inch channel locks. And then snap-on PWZ1, Sunex inch and 11/16 for dodges, sorted chemicals, stuff like that. These are Craftsman extractors, rebranded iron. Anyways, extractor set, another one, go along with that one. I have one more still too. Rust belt, gotta love it. And Proto needle nose, snap-on slip joints, Knipex Cobras, Mac side cutter, vice grip needle nose, Mac slip joint, another snap-on slip joint, 47 CP, smaller Knipex Cobra, vice grip, Mac side cutters, Tecton locking needle nose, and then Tecton vice grips, Mac bent needle nose. I got the whole 11-piece set, and then Proto bent. Rest of my pliers, Milwaukee vice grips, long bent needle nose, Mac plier, Mac pliers, more Mac pliers, another Mac plier, another Mac plier. I'm missing the needle nose out of the set, but I have the rest of it. Klein crimpers, Quinn long needle nose, the 3-piece Pittsburgh hose pliers, Doyle mini bolt cutters, 12-inch Tecton channel locks, Proto duck bills, vice grips Tecton, gear wrench hose pinch pliers, a long pair of side cutters, another Pittsburgh hose tool, the 12-inch Cobras, Klein side cutters, a vice grip needle nose, which I'm actually going to replace them with, Klein wire strippers, Tecton vice grips, and Tecton vice grips, and then Whiz snips. And then for the actual socket set, old Craftsman box. I replaced all these sockets with Tecton though, out of my set. They go all the way up to 1 inch, and then all the way up to 24 mil, and both deep and shallow. I don't think I have them all in here. I know I have up to 24 in here. And then I have the Husky impact sockets, a few 12-point. So I have from a 10mm Craftsman over here all the way up to 15mm Craftsman. It's mix match, so like this one's a snap-on 12, I think. Yeah, 12mm snap-on. Tecton snap-on ratchet. It's a F836. More Tecton sockets. This is all 1/4-inch drive. Extension, Pittsburgh, Tecton driver. They're 6-inch extension, 3-inch Tecton, a little Titan ratchet, a little short, 1.5" or whatever extension. The Tecton 1/4" goes up to 14 and up to 9/16. Tecton composite 1/4", longer 1/4". Oh no, I guess that's a 6-inch. The Tecton 1/4", gear wrench, flex head, snap-on spring 1/4" extension. Just random extensions, adapters, sockets, the swivel, stuff like that. 1/2" drive, it is all Q impact set, so it goes up to 1.25" up to 32 mil. The metrics didn't really fit, so, well, I guess they all didn't. Like, this is supposed to be a 5/8, but it's 9/16. This is supposed to be 1.25", it's actually 1.1/8. So I just remarked the metric. Tecton ratchet, 3-inch extension, couple low pro adapters, regular reducer, and then down in the bottom, Mac 1/2" drive long handled ratchet, performance tool flex head, 3/8 drive, Mac long handled 3/8 drive, Blue Point 8-inch adjustable wrench, Blue Point 6-inch adjustable, wrestling Nikio impact sockets, the other Tecton spark plug socket, Pittsburgh 3/8 drive swivel set, wrestling or loose in the bottom somewhere. I got the Nikio 3-piece wobble set, so it has a 1/4, 3/8, 1/2". Here's the 3/8 and 1/2, quarters in the 1/4 drawer. I got the 4-piece Pittsburgh 3/8 drive extension set impact, so there's a small one. Craftsman impact 1/2" drive, spiral sockets, gear wrench set. I got the 3/4 and then 18 down through 8 in here. No, 18 down through 6 plus 3/4, and then the Pittsburgh 1/2" drive swivels, and then Pittsburgh 3/8 drive deep with the Craftsman 18, so their Pittsburgh extension. And we'll move over here. A long Tecton 15-inch. I got the 3-piece set. I just carried the 15. 8-inch Bessie C-clamp. A wild alignment pry bar, whatever you want to call it. Tecton 24-ounce ball peen. DeWalt ratcheting screwdriver. Sunex low pry bar. Tecton star socket set, 3/8 drive. Tecton pry bar. Random snap-on 11/16. I can't remember why I put this in here, but yeah, snap-on 11/16. Tecton 6-in-1. Tecton ball end Allens. Gear wrench. Oil filter strap. These are deep Pittsburgh 1/2" drive metric. So from like 10, I think, up to 32. Gear wrench 1/4 mid depth. I got the 4-piece gear wrench long punch set in here. Another Tecton 1/2" drive ratchet. I got the Tecton 3-piece extension set with the 10-inch added on, a gear wrench, 1.5-inch socket. The rest of the Tecton sockets up 24, shallow, deep, 1.25 inch. Tecton Allen sockets, standard and metric. Tecton 3/8 drive ratchet. Steelman Pro. I think this is like a 15-inch back extension swivel, 3/8 drive on one end and then 1/2 inch on the other. The rest of the extensions: gear wrench, 1/2 inch drive flex head ratchet, little stubby adjustable wrench, another Sunex pry bar, Pittsburgh wobble, impact extensions, 1/2 inch drive, Craftsman pry bar, screwdriver, Blue Point 12-inch adjustable, axle nut socket. I think this is 34 and I have a 35. Snap-on 1.1/8. Use this for axle nuts. Common size, so I keep it with me. Only metric or standard impact I got in deep. Blue Point 10-inch. The inch set of the ball and Allen's Tecton. Pittsburgh 3/8 swivel. I lost my gear wrench, so back to the cheap one. Tecton pry bar. Harbor Freight punch chisel, that I ground flat. Use this for bearing races. And there's some little stuff in the top of this, but that pretty much conducts the tour for insurance. Thank you guys.